Have you ever recommended a product to a friend and thought, why didn't I get paid for that? Well, that's affiliate marketing, and you've been leaving money on the table every time you've recommended a product. Today, I'm going to show you how you can turn those recommendations into money with products you already have at your house. But here's the thing, it's not about spamming links or pushing random products. It's about building real value and genuine connections that lead to organic sales. So let's start by breaking down what is affiliate marketing and what isn't affiliate marketing so you can start the right way. Affiliate marketing is built on one fundamental principle: trust. Your audience trusts you to guide them to products that will really help them. Break that trust and game over. If you lose the trust, you lose the attention and the clicks. No one wants somebody recommending a product or service that they've never tried. That's like Keith Lee recommending a restaurant that he's never visited or food that he's never eaten. It's awkward. But instead, focus on products and services that you've used, you liked, and that you would recommend to friends or family. That way your recommendations are genuine and people can start trusting you. 2 golden rules to live by. 1, never recommend anything that you haven't personally vetted. And 2, only promote products that you really believe in. Sure, in the beginning you might make a few bucks, but it's the quickest way to ruin your reputation and lose your audience. So let me show you how to do this the right way. I've broken down affiliate marketing into 3 distinct paths. Think of them as lanes on a highway. Each lane suits a different personality or skill set, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what lane is perfect for you. Lane number 1 is platform-based affiliate marketing. This is often the easiest way for beginners because the heavy lifting is done for you. You're basically plugging into existing marketplaces like Amazon Associates where the products are already there and the people are already shopping there. You just need to connect the buyers with the products. And this is perfect for people that just want a simple start and they don't want to create their own website or they don't want to create content. So what platform do you feel like is best for affiliate marketing? Put your answers in the comments. I'm curious to see what you think. So the best 2 options for platform-based affiliate marketing, Amazon Associates and TikTok. But I also don't want you to sleep on my 3rd choice when I get to it, and I'll explain more why. So option number 1 is Amazon Associates, and it's one of the easiest affiliate programs to join. And you can start just by recommending products around the house that you're already using in your daily life, and it doesn't matter if you bought it from Amazon or not. Here's a pro tip. I would start with short, really genuine product reviews, using it in real life instead of just talking about it and holding it up. I would actually put it to use, answer some of the questions that you see in the reviews, and test it out in different ways. And here's an example. You can film unboxing, setup, or how-to videos. Here's a pro tip. If you're waiting to be accepted or you haven't applied yet, don't delay filming. Start shooting your product videos and your unboxings and your setup videos. That way you can save them in a folder so when you are accepted, you'll have a ton of videos to upload rather quickly. And in the meantime, I'll show you some other platform-based affiliate marketing programs that you can start using right now. Also, guys, just to be completely transparent with you, I feel like I've been leaving money on the table because when I was researching for this video, I pulled up my Amazon Associate accounts and I realized that I haven't done any product review videos in a really long time. So in order to hold myself accountable, I'm going to start a 30-day challenge and you're welcome to join me. I'll be posting every day for 30 days different product review videos of things that I will purchase or things that I have purchased to show you how it's done. So if this is part of your goal for 2025, follow along and hit the subscribe button. Option number 2 is TikTok Shop and Affiliate. TikTok's affiliate program allows creators to earn commissions on trending products. Create short viral videos using trending sounds to highlight these products in different uses. Pro tip, use storytelling. Show how this product solves a problem or makes life easier. And pair this with TikTok Live to show products in real time. And my 3rd option is JoinBrands, and this is because you can use a lot of the videos that you shot from Amazon in your JoinBrands. It connects influencers with brands for paid product reviews and affiliate deals. It's really easy to get started, and people are willing to pay for micro-influencer content. Start with low competition niches to gain credibility. If you're starting to feel overwhelmed, don't worry. I created a free affiliate guide and I put a link in the description down below. It literally will walk you through what we've already discussed and then some. Lane number 2, blog-based affiliate marketing. This is a classic approach where you create a website and a blog. The objectives are to write helpful articles and reviews, target specific topics that people are searching for, and to build authority in your chosen niche. This is perfect for anyone that enjoys writing and really has time to be in it for the long haul. But I do think that everybody needs to have blogging alongside everything else they do for their personal brand to build that credibility. And here's a little trivia. What percentage of bloggers earn their income from affiliate marketing? Is it A, 25%, B, 35%, or C, 50%? Put what you think the answer is down in the comments. I'm really curious. If you said 35%, you would be correct. And on average, bloggers make between $30,000 and $50,000 per year. And if you want me to make a video showing how I create a blog post with SEO, let me know in the comments down below. So the steps for blog affiliate marketing are 1, pick a niche, because this really is where picking a niche is important. Choose a blog niche that naturally fits with what you're doing and what you enjoy doing. For example, parenting, cleaning, productivity, mechanics, beginner tip, fashion, beauty, tech, parenting, hobbies, finance are all excellent niches. But if you need more help, I would check out Google Trends and WriteBlogger. Step number 2 is join individual affiliate programs. A quick Google search for a product or service will reveal if there's an affiliate program, how to sign up, and what are the commission rates. There are also affiliate program sites, and I put a full list in the description down below. If you need help picking out the best affiliate programs, I've outlined these in my free guide. Remember, the link is in the description down below. The top 3 affiliate tools that I use most frequently are Canva, WriteBlogger, and Google Trends. And step number 3 is to have a monetization strategy. Write SEO optimized blogs and have your affiliate links woven in naturally. This is part of the reason why I like WriteBlogger so much, because I am able to put all of my affiliate links in the additional info, and it's already generating SEO content with the metadata in there. An example blog post topic could be 10 best colors for little kids with red hair, or how to keep my kids busy for 5 minutes before dinner. Then lane number 3, which is arguably the most fun lane, social content creation. Over 67% of affiliate marketers use social media to make sales. This is the newest and most dynamic approach where you can create content across all the platforms: TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. For example, you could recommend a product like this microphone or this fill light. A pro tip is live stream selling is trending up in a really big way. Gary Vee, who I feel is a huge early trend spotter, predicts that live social shopping is going to disrupt multiple industries. He also has it at the top of his list for ways to make money in the next 5 years. Live content connects people in a way that no other format can. It's raw, it's real, people get to see the authentic you, which helps the trust factor and drives the action, whether it's a purchase or a click. Live selling is still relatively new, it's easy to do, and it's not even close to being saturated, so it's a really good trend to jump on. If you need an example, think of this mug. I found it scrolling late night on TikTok, and now it's part of my morning routine, and it makes me happy because of the little design that it has on it. Not really, but you get the picture. And if you're already creating content on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, why not start getting paid for that? Affiliate marketing is great. It lets you get paid for recommending products without having to start a business or getting something manufactured, which I can tell you is a lot of work. So a quick recap of our affiliate marketing options are: 1, you can do product review videos; 2, you can create a blog; or 3, you can create content. So a quick tip for choosing your lane: I would try starting with one method first, not all 3, and then pick the approach that matches your natural skills, and then figure out how much time that you can invest in this daily. I would think about whether you prefer writing, talking on the camera, or working behind the scenes. By the way, let me know in the comments which lane you think is most interesting and if you need any additional help getting started. The final strategy for affiliate marketing is to scale. And the way to do that is to combine multiple platforms and multiple lanes. You can use blog posts for long-term traffic, TikTok for viral fast sales, and drive your audience from your social platforms to your blog for a deeper connection. Batch your content creation so you don't have to spend a few minutes each day creating content. You can do it all in one day and get it out of the way. Then find the right tools or people so that you can outsource, delegate, or automate. 3 top choices are WriteBlogger for automation, Upwork, and Fiverr for people. Also, if you're serious about scaling with automation, check out my WriteBlogger video. Here's the real talk with affiliate marketing. It's not going to be the quickest way to make money, but it'll be the quickest way to get started. And you could start small and scale up. Also, don't forget to check out the free affiliate guide. I wish I had this when I was getting started. I packed it full of resources for you. Here's your homework. Choose one of the affiliate programs that I mentioned today. And if you do nothing else, sign up. Then if you're feeling extra spicy, create content. The only way to fail at affiliate marketing is to never start. After you get the handle of affiliate marketing, or you feel like it's just not for you, you can check out another one of my side hustles, which is Amazon KDP. The video's right here. And remember, success loves action. Thanks for watching.